Now let us start question number 5, that is factorization again, but it is about polynomial. So you have to do more practice about it. See, first question is very easy. Think about it. Make a pair of two, any two, first and second, first and third, first and fourth, in such a way that we can get a common bracket. Okay, so here simply, if you make a pair of first two, then you can take common x square. Remaining is what? 1 time x minus 2. And here that I have placed this x minus 2 already here. X is inside, remaining is minus sign, nothing means 1. Okay? Now x minus 2 common. Remaining is x square minus 1. Very well known. Well known factorization. X square minus 1, see, this is called x the whole square and 1 the whole square. It is just like a square minus b square. Right, a square minus b square, the factors are a minus b, a plus b, 1 time minus, 1 time plus. So x minus 2, keep it as it is. Here x minus 1, x plus 1. Factors of question number 1. Now 2. Question number 2 is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. See, it is little bit difficult because according to your textbook here you have to do try and error method. But I taught you about 2 rules. If sum of the coefficient of all the term is 0, then x minus 1 is a factor. So apply this. No need to write, but apply this. All the terms and their coefficient. Its coefficient is 1. 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5 is never equals to 0. So x minus 1 is not a factor. Now think about x plus 1. Okay, means odd power and even power coefficient should be same. So odd power term is 3, even power is this. So coefficients total is 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9 is minus 8. Odd power, now even power, minus 3 minus 5. Minus minus plus, minus 3 and minus 5 is also minus 8. Both are equal, so we can take x plus 1 is a factor. Okay, so you can do in this way. I will show you another method also. So first, sum of the coefficient of odd power terms. One minus 9, that is equals to minus 8. Sum of the coefficient of even power terms. Minus 3 minus 5, that is equals to minus 8. Both are equal, so we can select x plus 1 is a factor. Okay, now how to factorize? See, once again write the question. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Okay, leave one line. And in the second line, write x plus 1 3 times. And also leave some space in this way. Why 3 times? Because highest power degree is 3. So I write it 3 times. Now I do the reverse sum. See in this way. I have x inside it. I want x cube. So what should be multiplied with x to get x cube? So I should multiply x square. X square into x is x cube. So first term is there. Now x square into x is x cube. Now multiply this, x square 1 plus x square. Now I need minus 3x square and I have plus x square. So what should be added so that I will get minus 3x square? I have already plus 1, so I should add minus 4x square. See properly. 1x square minus 4x square will be minus 3x square. Okay. Now to get this minus 4x square, this x should multiplied by what? minus 4x into x minus 4x square. Now plus minus minus 4 ones are 4x. See now properly. I want minus 9x and I have minus 4x. So I should add minus 5x. Minus minus plus, 4 and 5 9. Sign is of bigger number, that is minus. Is it okay? Now to get this minus 5x, I should multiply this x by minus 5. Minus 5x plus minus minus 5 ones are 5. Last term comes automatically. It means that you are right up to this. Now take x plus 1 common from these three terms. Remaining is x square minus 4x minus 5. Now it is just like your 8th standard and whatever done we have done in previous question number 4, splitting the middle term. Here nothing, no coefficient is there, so we think 1, 5 ones are 5, minus means subtraction, factors of 5 is only 5 ones are, so write first term and last term, keep it as it is. Our factors are 5 ones are. I want minus 4x, so I should write minus 5x plus 1x. 5 ones are minus 5 plus 1, so I will get minus 4. X plus 1, keep it as it is. Out of the first two, take x common, x minus 5. Last two plus 1 common, x minus 5. X plus 1 as it is, x minus 5 common, remaining is x plus 1. X plus 1. Now x plus 1 two times here, so in short I can write x plus 1 the whole square and x minus 5. Is it okay? Now in this question the difficult step is what? This. You can find out x plus 1 is a factor or not very easily. You have to write this first question, leave a line and then you can write x plus 1 3 times. After that it is little bit difficult. So one simple technique is also there you have to do in rough work. See, write the coefficient of the questions. Our coefficients are 1, minus 3, minus 9, minus 5. Here 1, minus 3, minus 9, minus 5. Is it okay? And then write this type of box. See, x plus 1 is a factor. We decide that. We find out that if x plus 1 is a factor, I write here minus 1. If x minus 1 is a factor, I write it plus 1. Now compulsory write here 0. Compulsory. Add this. 1 plus 0 is 1. Is it okay? Now multiply this two. Plus minus minus 1 ones are 1. Okay. Add this. Minus 3 minus 1 will be minus 4. Now multiply this. Minus minus plus 4 ones are 4 plus 4. Add this. Minus 9 plus 4 will be minus 5. Now multiply this. Minus minus plus 5 ones are 5. Add this. 5 minus 5 is 0. This last term is your remainder. This is called remainder. Not necessary in this sum. Now this 1, minus 4 and minus 5 are the coefficient because here we select these are the coefficient. So, see, suppose you don't understand how to write this middle term. Okay? Now see, highest power is 3 power x cube. So write here 1 x square, 1 less power, 2 power, then 1 power, and then 0 power means constant. So 1 x square, write here 1 x square, minus 4x, minus 4x, minus 5, write here minus 5. And then open the bracket and write here in the second term, x square into x, x cube, x square ones are x square, minus 4x into x, minus 4x square, plus minus minus 4x ones are 4x, minus 5 into x, minus 5x, plus minus minus 5 ones are 5. Is it okay? But you have to do this in rough work, and after that write like this, and then x plus 1 take common. Now this will be very easy because you have learnt in 8th standard also. Is it okay? This is your second sum. Take a snap, write it. Now question number 3. X cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. See, all are positive. Means sum of the coefficient of all the term is not 0. Right? So try to find out odd power and even power total. Odd power 3 is coefficient is 1, odd power 1 is coefficient is 32, 32 plus 1 is 33, and 20 plus 13 is also 33. So both are same, so you can derive that x plus 1 is a factor. Is it okay? So write down sum of the coefficient of odd power terms. Odd power 3, its coefficient is 1. Here 1 power is odd, coefficient is 32, total is 33. Now sum of the coefficient of even power term. Even power term is 13 plus 20, 33. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor. Again, write the question. Leave a line and write x plus 1 3 times, leaving some space. Is it okay? Now, कई मेथड करूँ? First वाली के second वाली? I know second वाली. Let us check. Write the coefficient in rough. Coefficient is 1, 13, 32, 20. Okay, write like this. X plus 1 is a factor, so you have to write minus 1. Compulsory write 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Plus minus, minus. 1 ones are 1. 13 minus 1, 12. Plus minus, minus. 12 ones are 12. 32 minus 12 is 20. Plus minus, minus. 20 ones are 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. This is your remainder. Highest power is 3. So write one less power. 1x square, 12x and constant. Write this here. X square plus 12x plus 20. Open the bracket. X square into x, x cube, x square ones are x square. 12x into x, 12x square, 12 ones are 12x, 20x, 20 ones are 20, last term comes as it is, automatically. Now take x plus 1 common, remaining is x square plus 12x plus 20. Okay, now I rub it. Factorize 20. 20's factors are 10 2's are. Okay, 10 plus 2 is 12. So, first term and last term as it is. And the factors are 12x I want. Factors are 10 2's are. I write it 10x plus 2x. Now, make a group of first two, take some common. Common is x, remaining is x plus 10. From here also I want the same, so write this bracket as it is, x plus 10. See, x is already in the inner side, remaining is what? Plus 2. X plus 1 as it is, x plus 10 common, and remaining is x plus 2. So this is your answer. Is it okay? Now suppose you want to do with your textbook method that is given in try and error way. So take a snap. After that we will do try and error method in question number 3, the same question. Okay. So don't do this x plus, how to find Vx plus 1 is a factor. At that time, see the last term only. Once again I do the same sum with different method. Okay. See the factors, find out the factors of last term. Factors of 20, you know that factors of 20 is 20 ones are. We can write plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 20. 10 twos are plus or minus 2 plus or minus 10. 4 fives are plus or minus 4 plus or minus 5. Is it okay? These are the factors of 20. Now how to select and how to do this? This is try and error method. So simply you have to do what? You have to apply our method orally or in rough work, whether x plus 1 is a factor or not. If you find that x plus 1 is a factor, then select p of 1. X plus 1 is a factor means by applying our method in rough, we find out that x plus 1 is a factor. Now take, let x plus 1 is a factor, so remainder is p of minus 1. So take p of minus 1. Place the value minus 1. Minus 1 cube plus 13 minus 1 square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 because power is odd. Minus 1 square is plus 1. 13 ones are 13 plus minus minus. 32 ones are 32 plus 20. See, plus 20 and plus 13 will be 33. Minus 1 and minus 32 will be minus 33. So this is 0. Remainder is 0. Therefore, we can write x plus 1 is a factor. Okay. Now x plus 1 is a factor. Now do our method. Write one line, means leave one line. Write x plus 1 3 times, leaving some space. Same style. I want x cube, so I multiplied by x square into x is x cube. X square vanza is x square. I want 13, so I should add 12x square. To get this 12x square, I multiplied by 12x. 12x into x is 12x square. 12 vanza 12x. I want 32, so I should add 20x. So write 20 here, 20 multiplied by x, 20x, 20 vanza 20. Take x plus 1 common, remaining is x square plus 12x plus 20. Simple. Splitting the middle term. Factors of 20 is 10 twos are. So I write 10x plus 2x, that is equal to 12x, first term and last term as it is. X plus 1 as it is. Make a group of first two, take x common, x plus 10. I want the same bracket here, so write x plus 10. X is already in the inner side, so write 2. Okay, so x plus 1, take x plus 10 common, remaining is x plus 2. So in this way you can do, right? The only change is this according to your textbook. Okay, see now question number 4. Four is very simple. 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. See, if you make a pair of first two, you can simply take common y square common, 2y plus 1. Out of the last two, take minus 1, means minus sign common, the term will be sign change, 2y plus 1. Again 2y plus 1 common, remaining is y square minus 1. You know that y square minus 1 means I can write y the whole square minus 1 the whole square. It is just like a square minus b square. So we apply one time minus and one time plus. Y minus 1, y plus 1. So this is your exercise 2.4. Repeat it. The last sum, particularly question number 5. That's it for this lecture.